thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today we are making Halawet الجبن, which is a sweet cheese with a cream filling. I will show you what our ingredients are. Okay, our ingredients call for 1 cup of fine semolina, 1.5 cups of hot water, orange blossom water, grounded pistachios, 1 cup of sugar, and we also have our cream filling. I will show you how to make this cream filling in another video. And we have fresh mozzarella cheese. This is a 2-pack that I got from Costco. We're only going to need 1 for this recipe. The mozzarella cheese comes pre-sliced. You're going to cut it into cubes, kind of dice it up so it can be easier for us to melt it in the pot. Okay, I went ahead and put the stove on medium, and I'm going to go ahead and add our 1.5 cup of hot water, and I'm going to add our 1 cup of sugar, and we're going to keep stirring until the water is clear and where the sugar is dissolved. Make sure you keep the heat on medium, because when this cooks on medium, you don't want it to get burned if you put it a little bit higher. And you want to go ahead and use a wooden spoon or utensil, because it'll make it easier on you to stir as soon as we add the rest of our ingredients. We want our water and sugar to come to a boil, and please follow the instructions step by step, ingredient, because if you do mess up, it will mess up the whole recipe. This is going to get harder to stir as soon as we add our cheese and then as soon as we add our semolina, so you got to work those muscles out. We're going to go ahead and add our cheese in there, and you're going to keep on stirring while you're adding. We're going to get that cheese melted. And keep on stirring, don't stop stirring. And you can try to break up the cheese so it can melt a little bit easier. And make sure you keep the heat on medium. You don't want your cheese to burn. You're gonna keep on stirring the cheese and keep on poking it with your wooden spoon or spatula. And you want it to get very stringy and you want it to get melted. So you're going to keep on doing this for several minutes. Our cheese looks like it is ready to start adding the semolina, and we're going to add it little by little at a time. You don't want to pour it all in there. You're going to add and keep on stirring and kneading it like it's dough. Added our first batch of semolina. You're going to keep on stirring. Just little by little until the cup that we measured is done. Okay, and I just have 1 more batch of semolina that I'm going to add. And it is starting to come together. Now is the cooking process. We're going to cook it on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook it because it will get a little bit hard. And we are going to add our blossom water right now. I went ahead and added our blossom water. I added about 3 teaspoons. And we're going to keep on kneading it. It's almost ready. So it's now ready, and we are going to take it to the pot. From the pot to the table where I already put the plastic wrap. Please make sure you wear gloves. It's going to be very hot to handle. Please do not burn yourself. I wear double gloves when I handle this because it is very hot. Okay. So our dough is done. We're gonna go ahead and flatten it out and spread it, and then we're gonna cover it with another piece of plastic wrap, and then we're gonna use our rolling. You're gonna pat it down like this. I have some help today from my husband. Cover it with another layer of plastic wrap. Now, covering with another layer of plastic wrap will prevent it from sticking to the rolling pin, and then also it will prevent it from drying because it will dry fast. You're gonna go ahead and try to spread it out. It depends on how you like the thickness. And this is how you want it to look after spreading it out. He went ahead and cut the edges off so it looks nice and neat. Okay, so we're gonna add our cream filling, and I will make a separate video and show you how to cook this cream. We call this in Arabic ushta. This is what it's gonna look like, and you're gonna start rolling. You need to work with this fast because the colder it gets, the harder it is to work with. And you're gonna roll it just like this. And I like to use a pizza cutter because it's a lot easier than using a knife, and especially on a table. You don't want to ruin the table, but the pizza cutter is pretty safe and it gives you an even cut. So this is what it's going to look like after you cut it off. You need a sharp knife, and you don't want to slice to cut. You want to kind of chop it because you don't want the cream to come out, just like this. You're gonna keep on doing that with the rest of the dough, just putting the cream filling and then rolling it up and then cutting until the dough is finished. We're gonna drizzle on top of these a simple syrup, which I will show you how to make in another video. It is not the simple syrup you buy from the store. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add our pistachios. If you like extra pistachios, you can go ahead and add it to each one, or you can go ahead and sprinkle it all over the plate. It's up to you. And here is our finished dessert. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it.